What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new on my channel, my name is Khadija, and in today's video I will be doing a wig install. Today we'll be installing a lovely unit from LUVME here, but first let me show you guys what I received inside my package. So I received a wig cap. I will be using this. We also received a melting band. I also will be using this. And we received a edge brush, and we also received a earring. So the unit we're installing today is a glueless closure unit. I don't know why it feels like I have been installing a lot of frontal units lately, but the glueless unit takes half the time. You can still style it however you want, and you'll achieve the same flawless look. This is the unit we're working with today. It is a 20-inch 5x5 closure unit, and fortunately for us, the unit comes pre-plucked, pre-bleached. The strap is already attached to it. All you need to do is to install your unit. This is the wig we're working with. So I'm just gonna go ahead and move along to the install. So as you can see, I already have my hair pushed back. I already have my edges made. What I'm about to do is to use the wig cap they sent for us and just put it over it. I really like to make baby hair whenever I'm doing my glueless unit because it acts as edges for the rest of the wig. It's a 5x5 unit. It's a little bit wider than the 4x4, but it still doesn't cover the entire hairline. So I made these baby hairs to act as edges for the unit. I'm just gonna go ahead and put a wig cap over this, and then we put our wig on. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put my wig on. So this is the wig. Unit comes plucked already for us. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and cut the excess lace off. And as I said, this is a pretty easy install. It is a super fast 5-minute install because all we need to do is to cut the lace off. I will not be applying any glue to the hairline, but I will be applying products to the hairline. Just gonna go ahead and cut the excess lace off. Just gonna go ahead and push the hairline back. First of all, this hot comb smells hot. It's been over here steaming up for like 40 minutes. I'm not even kidding. So I'm just gonna go ahead and push the hairline back. Gotta be careful with this. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and cut the excess lace off. What I just realized is that there is no track for us to cover. And that is such a big deal when it comes on to your glueless closure units. The tracks of the sides can be so annoying and hard to cover. The fact that this unit doesn't have that is just another plus for me. This is it. I'm just gonna go ahead and cut the excess lace off. Got the excess lace off. Now I'm about to apply some of my Pump It Up spritz, but I ordered a new one. It's called a Fantasia Mousse, I think, and I can't wait to try it. But for now, I will be using my Pump It Up spritz. I will be using it to hold the hairline down, not glue it, but to hold it down. It has a very strong hold. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and tie this down using the melting band they sent for us. So while this is drying, I'm just going to go ahead and style the unit. Again, it is a layered cut, so I want you guys to see the layers that it has. So I'm just going to go ahead and flat iron the unit. I will be keeping it super simple, so let's go ahead and do that. So now I'm just going to go ahead and apply some of my Paul Mitchell Skinny Serum and then flat iron the unit. But this is the vibe it's given right now. Just going to go ahead and finish this up. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. It is super soft, super silky. This is it. I love how pretty it is. Has that really nice deep part. This is it. As I said, the unit comes fully customized. It's pre-plucked, pre-bleached. It's super beginner friendly and ready to be installed. This unit is from LUVME Here. This is their 20-inch 5x5 layered cut glueless closure unit. This is it. The unit is super pretty. I love how this turned out. I'm feeling really cute right now. This is giving a really nice vibe. If you want to get this wig, then go ahead and click that link in my description to make your purchase. This is where I leave you guys for today. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Leave your comments down below, and most importantly, go ahead and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in another video.